When was the last time you fed a giraffe or talked close up to a monkey? Maybe never. A visit to the 32-acre Racine Zoo will put you in touch with not only giraffes and monkeys, but African lions, Andean bears, Amur tigers, black rhinos, and over 250 other rare animals. Authentic ecosystems for these animals have been constructed that put them in their native environments. Close by is beautiful Lake Michigan at its Zoo Beach.
We've assembled here a collection that's representative of really the most endangered and imperiled ecosystems throughout the world. What's even more exceptional is the fact that we're on one of the world's largest freshwater bodies, that's Lake Michigan, and to boot, we're on one of the best freshwater beaches anywhere in North America.
Racine Zoo is a must-see stop in a friendly, family-oriented place. Pick a day, almost any day, and you'll find it open. Compact in size, it will not wear you out as these great exhibits showcase the beauty of nature's finest animals. Another reason why Racine is great fun on a great lake.